Reflection on Learning. Management 619, Project and Change Management, Kettering University Online, Winter 2019, and my name is James May Morrison. The purpose of this reflection is to provide a brief overview of the personal lessons learned from taking this course. Project Overview. Group 1's project proposal was to identify and reduce or eliminate sources of dirt contamination in the paint process of Karma Automotive LLC, a manufacturer of ultra-luxury plug-in hybrid sports cars. What did I learn? First, I learned the importance of a project charter. Project charter authorizes the project manager to start the approved project, helps executives to see the business value of the project, acts as a reference document for executives to quickly understand a project's overview, details, scope, organization, resource planning, budget, communication plan, and authorization. What else did I learn? I learned a SIPOC diagram is a high-level process map. With the SIPOC is an acronym for supplier, the provider of inputs into a process; input, the materials, information, and other resources needed to complete a process; process, the structured steps to convert inputs into outputs; outputs, products and services resulting from the process; and finally, the customer, recipient of the outputs. What was our process? There were 4 phases or 4 steps. First one was to define the business need. Next, we created the project charter. Step 3 was the most complex by defining the scope, create the work breakdown structure, create the schedule, propose a budget, develop the quality standards and tools, and plan for resources, human resources. Lastly, we did a risk analysis, made contingencies for change control, and decided on future actions. What was our importance? In today's modern automobile manufacturing processes and methods, consumers expect and demand high quality in all aspects of their new vehicle purchase: a stylish, modern appearance, state-of-the-art technology, a comfortable and quiet cabin, and, of course, high luster, defect-free, painted exterior surfaces. To fulfill the latter, an eye-catching paint scheme, manufacturers must reduce or eliminate defect occurrence. Relevance. Dirt defects, the most common in the paint process of modern automobile manufacturing, typically consist of lint particles, dust, and other airborne particles that become deposited on freshly painted bodies. Since their sources are difficult to identify and control in a newly commissioned paint shop, it is essential to analyze and problem solve quickly. Significance. Karma's current average DPU, or defects per unit, is 147 instances. Each takes an average of a minute and a half to repair and polish these defects, costing Karma over $41,000 a year in labor costs. Identifying and eliminating the sources of dirt defects by 25%, our target or goal, would be a significant annual cost reduction, allowing for those labor hours to be better utilized on other improvement projects or other value-added methods. What are our next steps? 1. Launch. Launch the project as planned. 2. Develop. Develop process improvements and utilize new state-of-the-art indirect materials to improve first pass yield. 3. Document. Document process changes and train the workforce to follow the new process. And 4. Kaizen, continuous improvement. Continue to identify defect sources with cross-functional involvement to pursue perfection. Closing thoughts for any learning experience. Never lose the humility to know you don't know everything. Listen to understand, not to reply. There is no I in team, but there is an E in everyone. A team achieves more when everyone contributes. Robert Cheek. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.